Hi everyone, in this video let us see how you can verbally create an idea inside the Taskbot. So the ideas section also allows you to capture ideas quickly using the voice input here, making it easier to record thoughts without typing. So to use this feature, first from the top right we will have to click on create new idea, and on the right side you can see a microphone option. You can simply click on that microphone and start speaking, and once you stop speaking, automatically after 5 seconds your task will be inside the title and the description automatically. So let's see how we can do it. For that we will click on the microphone, create a 15 days WhatsApp engagement campaign. So you can see it has added the title, it has added the description. Also my voice note over here, you can attach other documents as well. You can record your audio, you can attach files, you can also record a video and attach it. Then you can assign it to a group member, assign to department, or yourself too. So this has automatically done to me, as I didn't mention anyone's name or anything. And then I will add a tag and then click on create idea. So you can see my idea has been captured. So this feature is especially useful when you want to quickly capture ideas on the go, ensuring that